Okay, so let's say that you've opened Blender 5.2 or any version for the first time and you were given this screen and then you selected Blender Light mode, for example, and you want your mouse select to be right and the key map to be industry compatible. And then because you wanted this to be a whole new Blender setup, you didn't want to carry any previous preferences. Basically, if you ended up going, this is a mistake because this is not a good look, and yeah, that must be transform. I expected this sidebar to pop out. I'm pressing N, expecting one of these to go away or come in. I'm lost, if I'm absolutely honest. Well, luckily, if you turn around and think to yourself, no, I wish I could bring in the preferences from Blender 5.1 in my case, then not to worry. All you have to do is just close Blender 5.2, and if we come over to our sort of windows here, and then we go into our C, users, user, you need to go into app data, which you can see by going to show hidden items. So if you don't have it, you can't see it. So make sure that that is on. So you want to go to app data, then you want to go to roaming, Blender Foundation, Blender, and then if you scroll down to, so in my case it's Blender 5.2, and delete the config folder, then what we can do now is if we reboot Blender 5.2, we'll get given the page again. And then what we can do is we can correct it. We can say, well, we don't even need to adjust that. We just need to go to import Blender 5.1 preferences. And then you'll see these folders start to come up again. And then what you'll have is all of your preferences. So just to showcase this, it is only the config folder. So if we go back into this 5.2 and delete the config folder, so we're keeping our data files, extensions and scripts. If we then bring in Blender 5.2 again, and then it should give us the option again, like we have here. So that's all you have to do. You don't need to delete the whole folder. You can if you want, but basically, yeah, just delete the config folder in your app data roaming, and then yeah, you should be fine. So that should be everything to do with downloading and installing Blender, along with any previous version. So I hope you have learned something, and thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.